Hello everybody, I am Hardik Patel and this is my another video in GIT tutorial series. Today I am going to teach you how can we resolve the conflict. So there are many situations we can get this kind of conflict, but I will take one example today and I will show you that how can we resolve that conflict. Okay, so let's create one problem there for conflict so we can resolve that, right? So let's quickly do that. So first I will see git status, yes, and currently I am in a master branch, so I will put here comment. This is my rough note, okay, this is not a file which is in a repository. Now git log, so my last commit is this, okay, and the message is okay, no problem. So let's go ahead by creating one branch. I will create one branch here, create a branch conflict example. So this is my branch, so you can see now branch is here. Now I will check out and let's quickly see the log in that as well. Git log, so same, right? So this is conflict example. Okay, now so what I will do is that this is readme.txt file which is staying here. You can see here taste readme.txt. Now what I will do is I will add something on third line in the both branches and I will commit both in a both branch. So let's do that. Change 3 from conflict branch. Okay, now I'm going to save this. Now you will see the modified file here by doing git status. Yes, you can see the difference by this command git diff. So you can see here this is third line, change 3 is added, right? So let's add that by doing dot git commit. Either you open the editor or just use this -m option and write down your message. Added changed file from conflict branch, right? Okay, now let's do the status. So right now your branch is ahead of master by one commit. Okay, now I am going in master branch. So now if you will see that, sorry, let's get back again to conflict example. Then we will take the log so we can see easily here. Now currently we are here, right? Okay, now now let's move to master. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, so now I will see that readme.txt file. Now that third line is removed because in this branch that is only 2 lines. So I will add one more line in the same location from master. And I will save that. And again I will see the status, git add, git commit -m, added change from master. Now here there are two kind of conflicts can be there, like right now I am doing the merge from conflict branch, or else there is another way where you can see this is, you can see here your branch is ahead of origin master by one commit, right? But in origin master, actually that is remote branch of master, but where someone else has also committed the same file in the same location, and you will pull that change here also, it will create a conflict. Right now we are not having two developers. That scenario also we will cover maybe next video, but for now let's merge that conflict branch in this git merge conflict example. So what it will do, I explained, right, that git merge command in previous session. So whenever you merge any branch to any different branch, then what you need to do, just stay in which branch in which you want to merge, right? So destination branch you need to check out, and then just merge any source branch. So here conflict example is our source branch, and what is our destination? That is master. So let's enter. So it says that merge. You can see the message auto merging readme.txt. It was trying to auto merge, but there was a conflict. So merge conflict in readme.txt, automatic merge failed, fix conflicts, and then commit the result, right? So here you can see that readme.txt file, and also you can see the status, that is both modified readme.txt. Okay, so here it is. So this is my IDE Visual Studio Code, but if you have opened that file in Notepad++ or only normal Notepad or any other editor in which this facility is not integrated, Git facility, so what you will do, so you need to understand that if you want to keep both the changes, maybe both are required, maybe only your latest changes are only required, so it's up to you. Just remove this. Sorry, let me show again. Yeah, so head means what? So currently in which you are whatever in your branch, so whatever you have merged, whatever was the source will come in the second part. So that you also see that incoming message, it explains very clearly, but in other editor you will not have this functionality, this kind of facility. So you just need to understand now. So this second part after this line, this is coming from source, and this is in your current branch. So now it's up to you what is required and what is not required, that you need to decide, and just remove these 3 lines or whole section. So if you want to remove this whole section, then also you can remove, because this is not, this may not be required, or this may be required. Okay, so this is the simple thing. Just you simply clear this file, and then git add readme.txt, then git commit. If you will enter this git commit, that merge commit message automatically will be appear. Yeah, see, master merge, master branch, it is merged. So this is message. So what happened, I just explained that, right, in the previous sessions. So I need to change that git config core.editor is equal to vim, in my case vi. Now if I will commit, now it is committed, but if you will see that git commit made, I can change the message, but it will open in vi editor. But I don't want to change because this is auto generated message. Okay, now if you will see the git log, so what happened, changed file from conflict branch, because the date was earlier, because we committed the change first, then we committed the second change in the master branch, so that is here, and then one more commit is that merging branch, right? So I explained in the second or third session while I was explaining commands. So I explicitly said that, so merge will create more commits, right? One more commit which is saying that this is merge commit. Okay, so now your commit is resolved. Now you can push these changes, push origin master. Here we go. So now your code changes are there. So in many more scenarios this conflicts can be done, this conflicts can occur. So I will take one more example in the next session and I will try to explain the same. So for now, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have liked this video, please subscribe my channel. So I will come again for the Git this kind of complex scenarios, and I will try to resolve those things. Okay, and if you have any query or if you have any kind of scenario which you want to learn, you need any explanation, then please add those in comments so I can explain them by doing video. Thank you very much.